Cheryl Hall here, CSM at Aspire from Lexington, Kentucky. Today, I'm going to share some tips on renewing your contracts in Aspire. Whether you're renewing your green season contracts for 2025 or you're gearing up for the snow season and getting your last minute snow contracts out to your clients. The renewal process is the same. It's never too early to start those 2025 renewals. Just remember not to win those 2025 renewals until your current contract ends. Then they can remain in bidding or approved until your 2024 contracts are complete and work tickets are cleaned up. Remember to only win contracts 1 year at a time. Let's get started. You'll start with an annual system cleanup. For those of you who have been in Aspire for a few years, you should be familiar with the importance of this process, but I have some expert tips for you in just a moment. For newer customers in their first year or season in Aspire, you may be renewing your contracts for the first time. The annual cleanup is a critical process which will help you identify and validate data related to your renewals accurately. Navigate to administration and go to estimating. And we'd like for you to review your markups, your pricing markups, review your service catalog, review your items catalog, and review your opportunity templates for accuracy. Okay. Once you're finished, you'll be able to view your relevant renewals for the upcoming year. You'll generate your contract renewals report. I'm going to go over to reports. And I'm going to go over to my contract renewals. Okay. And I have a pre-built list here. The contract renewals report provides a cutoff date at the top of the report that allows you to specify the time frame for considering a contract for renewal. Look at the tooltip here. It will provide additional information regarding the cutoff date. I'm going to navigate over to my opportunities list. For each renewal, the new improved enhanced renewal screen and workflow will appear by individually renewing each contract from the opportunities screen. I'm going to take this opportunity here and I'm going to go up to my 3 dots up in the top right-hand corner. I'm sorry, I'm going to click into this opportunity and I'm going to go to the 3 dots in the right-hand corner and I'm going to hit renew. When I renew this opportunity, it's asking me several questions here. It's asking you to review your takeoffs, your service display names and descriptions, prices, visit checklists, and schedule events. Please review all of the relevant details for each renewal so you're making the best decision per opportunity. Check out the reference documents included in the Marketing Minute. I'm going to hit cancel here, and I'm going to go back to my opportunities list. Another way to renew contracts is by building a great opportunity list in the opportunities module and filter on contract end date. Select the checkbox to the left of the opportunity and then select renew. You can select one opportunity, you can select multiple opportunities, or you can select all. Okay. I'm just going to select a few here and I'm going to go up to bulk actions and I'm going to bulk renew. When I bulk renew, it brings up the opportunity renewal screen, just as if you were building a contract renewal individually. I'm going to hit cancel there. Finally, a few quick tips and tricks to help you. Let's take a look at a renewed opportunity. I'm going to click on this Executive Hills. Some things that I want to point out or the opportunity name will include the word renewal. If the year was included in the previous year's opportunity name, be certain to remove it or change the year. Second, the original opportunity name and number will appear in the master job field on the front of the opportunity. And finally, the sales type will change from new sale to renewal. I hope this helps inspire you to review your renewal process, whether you're an old pro or a new beginner with Aspire. Have a great day.